drain hose in your plastic I can't talk, plastic bottles, or whatever recyclable material you decide to use for your potting. Always remember, never forget, drain hose.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone.
After that long struggle, I finally pulled them apart. I'm pretty sure I damaged a lot of the roots, but I'm going to plant them now.
You're the bullet in the gun. You shoot me down. You're the pack and the punch, and I hit the ground. I can barely catch my breath. Heart's beating on my chest. Love the way you make me sweat. I can barely catch my breath. You're my partner in crime, and nothing in between. Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken reels of the movie I